Question number 31. Two workers A and B working together can complete a job in 5 days if A work thrice as efficiently as he actually did and B work 1/3 as efficiently as he actually did. Then the work would have been completed in 3 days. A alone can complete the work in how many days? In the question it's given two workers A and B working together can complete a work in how many days? 5 days. And if A worked twice as efficiently as he actually did, twice as efficient, and B worked 1/3 as efficiently as he actually did, 1/3 of B will be B divided by 3. They will take 3 days to complete the work. So we can equate both sides. Now if we solve this equation, we will get 5A plus 5B is equal to, if we solve this, we will get 6A plus B. So we will get A by B is equal to 4 upon 1. Now we get the efficiency of A, which is 4. B's efficiency will be 1. Now if we need to find the total work, we know total work is equal to efficiency into time taken. So our total work is equal to efficiency into time. Efficiency A plus B is 4 plus 1, which is 5, and time is 5 days. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So this is our total work, and in the question it's given we need to find out how much time will A alone how much time will be taken by A alone to complete the work. So time taken by A will be total work upon efficiency of A, which is 4. So total work is 25, efficiency of A is 4. So 25 divided by 4, we will get 6 1/4 days. So this is our answer. Question number 32. A started a work and left after working 4 days. B completed the remaining work in next 18 days. Had A left the work after working 6 days, then B would have finished the remaining work in next 12 days. Then find in how many days A and B would complete the work alone. In this question it's given A started a work and left after working 4 days. So A worked for 4 days. B finished the remaining work in next 18 days. B worked for 18 days. Had A left the work after working for 6 days, B would have finished the remaining work in next 12 days. Remaining 12 days, okay. We can equate this both sides, and if we solve this equation, we will get 4A plus 18B is equal to 6A plus 12B. Now we will get 2A is equal to 6B. So A by B is equal to 6 by 2 or 3 by 1. So A's efficiency is how much? 3, and B's efficiency is 1. Now this is our total work. A into 4 plus B into 18. So our total work will be A into 4. A is 3 into 4 plus B is how much? 1 into 18. So it will be 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. This is our total work. So in this question, what we need to find out? Then find in how many days A and B would complete the work alone. So time is equal to total work divided by efficiency. So our total work is 30. A's efficiency is how much? 3. So A will take how many days? A will take 10 days to complete the work alone. And B will take, B's efficiency is 1. So B will take 30 days. So this is our answer. Now in this question we can also to find out the efficiency of A and B, which is 3:1, we can also use a small shortcut. I will show you how to do it. Now in this question it's given A starts the work and he works for how many days? 4 days. After that B finishes the work in 18 days. This is the original equation given, but it says had A left the work after finishing for 6 days, then B would have completed the remaining work in 12 days. This is according to question. Now you see here 4. Now 4 is increasing. 4 had to work how many days extra? 2 days plus. Now you see here B is working how many days less? 6 days. B had to work 6 days less and A had to work 2 days more. So we can equate this. Now this 2 extra work for A is equal to how much? 6 less work of B. So we can directly say 2A is equal to 6B. So if we so A divided by B will be how much? 6 by 2 is equal to 3 by 1. So in such type of questions we don't need to do all these things. You can directly equate like this and you can get the efficiency of A and B. Question number 34. P, Q and R are 3 typists working simultaneously and they type 316 pages in 4 hours. In 1 hour, R can type as many pages more than Q as Q can type more than P. R can type as many pages in 5 hours as P in 7 hours. How many pages does each of them type per hour? In this question, if we look at the third sentence, it's given R can type as many pages in 5 hours as P in 7 hours. So that means R into 5 is equal to P into 7 hours. So it will give us R by P is equal to 7 by 5. So this is our efficiency. So that means P is 5 and R is 7. Okay. Now it's given in a 1 hour R can type as many pages more than Q as Q can type more than P. So that means Q should be in between 5 and 7. Now what we will do, we will in such type of questions, what we need to do, we will add 5 and 7, the efficiency of P and R. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, and we will take the average, we will divide it by 2, which will give us 6. So this will be the efficiency of Q. Now if we look at the question once again, it says in 1 hour R can type as many pages more than Q. So R is typing 1 page more than Q, as Q can type more than P. So you see Q is typing more than P, 1 pages, and R is typing 1 page more than Q. So in such type of questions we will take the average, we will take the total of P and R, the efficiency, and then we will divide it by 2 and we will get 6. The answer will be Q's efficiency. So let's say P's efficiency is 5x and Q's efficiency is 6x and R's efficiency is 7x. Alright, now P, Q and R are three typists working simultaneously, and they can type 216 pages in 4 hours. So P plus Q plus R, if they work together, then they take 4 hours to type how many pages? Our total work is how many pages? 216. We have the value of P, Q and R, the efficiency. So this will be 18x into 4 is equal to 216. So if we solve this, we will get x is equal to 3. Now in this question, we need to find out how many pages does each of them type per hour. So we have the efficiency. So P's efficiency is 5x. So P will type how many pages in 1 hour? 5 into 3 is equal to 15 pages. Q will type how many pages? 6x. So 6 into 3, 18 pages per hour. And R will type 7 into 3 is equal to 21 pages. So this is our answer. Question number 35. It is similar to question number 34. Three typists working together for 8 hours per day can type 900 pages in 20 days. The number of pages typed by A in 4 hours is equal to the number of pages typed by C in 1 hour. How many pages typed by C in 1 hour? If in a day B types as many pages more than A as C types as many pages more than B. In this question, it's given the number of pages typed by A in 4 hours. Typed by A in 4 hours is equal to how much? Is equal to the number of pages typed by C in 1 hour. So we will get the efficiency of A and C, which will be 1 by 4. A's efficiency is 1, C's efficiency is 4. So A is 1, C is 4. And it's given B types as many pages more than A as C types more than B. So as I said, in such type of questions, we need to total the efficiency of A and C. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, and we will take the average. The average is how much? 5 divided by 2, 2.5. So 2.5 will be B's efficiency. So if we want to check this the equation, 1.5 more B is typing plus 1.5, and 1.5 C is typing more than B. Alright, so we need to find the total work. In order to find the total work, A's efficiency is 1x, B's efficiency is 2.5x, C's efficiency is 4x. So A plus B plus C into how many days? Three typists working together for 8 hours per day can type 900 pages in 20 days. So 8 hours is given and 20 days is also given. And they are able to type how many pages? 900 pages. So if we add this, we will get 7.5x into 20 into 8 is equal to 900. So if we solve this equation, we will get x is equal to 3 by 4. Alright, so now in this question we need to find out how many pages typed by C in 1 hour. Okay, so in 1 hour C is typing how much? 4x. So 4x means, if we put the value of x, 4 into 3 by 4 is equal to 3 pages. So 3 pages is our answer. Question number 36. A plus B can complete a work in 30 days. They start work together and after 23 days B left the work and the whole work is completed in 33 days. Find the work completed by A alone. So in this question it's given A plus B can complete a work in 30 days. They require 30 days to complete the work. But they start work together and after 23 days B left the work. That means both of them, they started the work together and after 23 days B left the work. And the whole work is completed in 33 days. Whole work is completed in 33 days means A started the work along with B and A finished the work. That means A from the beginning till the end he worked for 33 days. Now in such type of question, as I explained in question number 32, you see this is the original work, original time taken by both A and B, but now A is working 3 days extra. A is working 3 days more and B is working 7 days less. 30 minus 23 is 7. So B is working 7 days less. 33 minus 30, A is working 3 days more. So in such type of questions, we can directly find the efficiency. 3A, 3 days extra for A. So 3A is equal to 7 days less for B, 7A. 7B. 3A is equal to 7B. So A by B will be how much? 7 by 3. So A's efficiency is 7 and B's efficiency is 3. Now if we find out the in order to find the total work, we have the efficiency which is 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 is the efficiency of A and B, and they together complete the work in 30 days. 30. So this will give us how much? 10 into 30 is equal to 300 is the total work. So we need to find out the time taken by A to complete the work alone. So 300 is the total work. A's efficiency is 7. So 300 total work divided by efficiency of A, which is 7. If we divide this, we will get our answer as 42 6 by 7 days. So this is our answer. Question number 37. It is similar to question number 36. A and B can complete a work in 24 days. They start work together and after 20 days A left the work and the whole work is completed in 26 days. Find in how many days A and B alone can complete the work. Question number 37 is similar to question number 36, the previous question. So in this question we have A plus B can complete a work in 24 days. They start work together and after 20 days A left the work. So A is working for 20 days and and the work is completed in 26 days. So B starting the work with A, he completes the work in 26 days. So as I said in such type of questions, B is working 2 days extra. So 2 days extra work of B is equal to 4 days work of A. A is working 4 days less. So 2B is equal to 4A. So if we solve this equation, we will get A by B is equal to 1 by 2. So A's efficiency is 1 and B's efficiency is 2. Okay, so in this question, in order to find the total work, A plus B, which is 2 plus 1 is the efficiency of A plus B, which is 3. They work for 24 days. So their the total work will be how much? 3 into 24 is 72. What we need to find in this question, we need to find how many days A and B alone can complete the work. So total work is 72. A's efficiency is 1, so A will take 72 days to complete the work alone, and B will take 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36 days. Question number 38. In this question, it's given A and B can complete a work in 12 days. They start the work together, and after 8 days, A left the work. So A works for only 8 days, and the remaining work is completed in 20 days. So that means B is working for how many days? 20 days from the start till the end. So A is working 4 days less. So 4A is equal to 8 days more. B is working 8 days more. So 4A is equal to 8B. So A by B is equal to 2 by 1. So A's efficiency is 2 and B's efficiency is 1. This is our efficiency. So in this question, we need to find out how much time is taken by A and B if they work alone. So we need to find the total work first. So A plus B's efficiency is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So efficiency is 3 into 12 days they together take to complete the work. So 3 into 12 is 36. So this is our total work. Now 36 total work divided by efficiency of A, which is 2, will give us how much? 18 days. So 18 days is taken by A, and 36 divided by 1 will give us 36. So B will take 36 days to complete the work alone. So this is our answer. Question number 39. P and R completes a work in 10 days working together. If P works for 2.5 days and R for 8.5 days, then half of the work gets completed. Find in how much time P alone completes the work. In this question we have P and R completes a work in 10 working days. P plus R takes 10 days to complete a work. If P works for 2.5 days, if P works for 2.5 days and R for 8.5 days, R works for 8.5 days, then half of the work gets completed. So half of the work will be completed in 5 days. If P plus R, if they take 10 days to complete a work, then the half of the work will be completed in how many days? 10 divided by 2, 5 days, right? So in this question it's given if P works for 2.5 days and R for 8.5 days, they will be able to complete half of the work, and half of the work is completed in how many days? 5 days. Now P is working 2.5 less. If we compare with 5 days, P is working 2.5 less. So 2.5A is equal to, and R is working how much? 3.5 days extra. 3.5 more. So 3.5B. So if we solve this, we will get the efficiency as 3.5 and 2.5. If we remove the decimal, we'll get 35 by 25, and if we divide it by 5, 5 7s are and 5 5s are. So A's efficiency is how much? A's efficiency is 7 and B's efficiency is 5. what we need to find out, find in how much time P alone completes the work. Now the total work, we need to find the total work first. So 7 plus 5 is the efficiency of A and B together. So 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. They take 10 days to complete the work. So our total work is how much? 120. Efficiency into time. 7 plus 5 is the efficiency of P plus R. They take 10 days to complete the work. So 10 is the time. So efficiency into time is total work 120. We need to find out how much time is taken by P. Okay. Instead of A, you can write P, and this one is R. So P R. Okay. So P's efficiency is how much? 7. So total work divided by efficiency will give us the time taken, and our time taken is how much? 17, 1 by 7 days. So this is our answer. Question number 40. A alone would take 27 days more to complete a work than A plus B work together. B takes 3 days more to complete the work than A and B work together. Find in how many days A alone would complete the work. Before we begin, I would like to explain a small concept. Suppose we have A plus B. If they work together and if they take X days to complete a work, X days, and if A alone, if he works, he will take X plus say A days, and if B works alone, he will take X plus B days to complete the same work. Now in order to find the X, how many days is taken by A plus B, we will use this formula. X is equal to square root of A into B. So this will be our direct answer. Now in this question we have, we are given A alone would take 27 days more to complete a work than A plus B work together. B takes 3 days more to complete the work than A and B work together. Find in how many days A alone would complete the work. So in this question, let's say A and B, they take X days to complete the work. Then A working alone will take how many days to complete the work? He will take X plus 27 days. And it's given B will take how many days? X plus 3 days. Now in order to find, we need to find in how many days A alone would complete the work. Now in order to find this X, we will use this formula. X is equal to square root of A days and B days. So here in this question, X is equal to, our A days is how much? 27 days, and B is how much? 3 days. So we will directly write this, and this one is 81. So our X is 9 days. So A plus B, they together will take 9 days to complete the work. And in this question we need to find in how many days A alone would complete the work. A alone would take how many days? X plus 27 days. So that means 9 plus 27. This is 36 days. Similarly, if we need to find how many days is taken by B alone, it will be X plus 3. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 days. Question number 41. A alone takes 12 days more to complete a work than A and B together. B alone takes 3 days more than A and B working together. Find in how many days A and B working alone would take to complete the work. So in this question, let's say A plus B working together, they take X days to complete the work, and it's given A alone takes 12 days more to complete a work than A and B together. So A alone will require X plus how many days? 12 days. And B alone will require how many days? He will require 3 days more than A and B working together. So X plus 3 days. So we will use the formula once again to find out the X. X is equal to 12 into 3, which is 36 is equal to 6. So A and B working together, they require 6 days to complete the work. And in this question we need to find in how many days A and B alone would complete the work. So A will require how many days? X plus 12 is equal to 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. 18 days required by A. And B will take X plus 3, which is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 days. So this is our answer. Question number 42. A can complete a work in 5 more days than B, while A does the same work in 9 more days than C. If A plus B can complete the whole work in same time, in which C alone does the whole work, then in how much time A alone would complete the same work? In this question it's given A can complete a work in 5 more days than B, while A does the same work in 9 more days than C. Let's suppose C takes X days to complete the work. Then it's given while A does the same work in 9 more days than C. So A will take X plus 9 days. 9 days more than C, so X plus 9 days. Now B, A can complete a work in 5 more days than B. That means A is taking 5 more days than B. So B will take how much? X plus 4 days. B is taking X plus 4 days. A is taking 5 days more than B. So X plus 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And A is taking 9 days more than C to complete the work. So we have this equation now. Now if you see in the question it's given if A plus B can complete the whole work in same time in which C alone does the whole work. So A and B together they are taking X days to complete the work. So if you see carefully we are getting the same equation like the previous question. A and B, if they work together, they take X days to complete the work. A alone takes X plus 9 days. A alone is taking X plus 9 days and B working alone takes X plus 4 days. So we can use the same formula to find out X. X is equal to 9 into 4, which will give us 36. So X is equal to 6. Now in this question we need to find out then in how many days A alone would complete the same work. So A alone would take X plus 9 days, which is 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 days. So this is our answer. So we always need to read the questions carefully and then we need to apply our concept. Question number 43. A swimming pool is fitted with 3 pipes. The first 2 pipes working simultaneously fill the pool in the same time as the third pipe alone. The second pipe alone fills the pool 5 hours faster than the first pipe and 4 hours slower than third pipe. In what time second and third pipe together fill the pool? In this question it's given the second pipe alone fills the pool 5 hours faster than the first pipe and 4 hours slower than third pipe. We have 3 pipes, first, second and third. Let's say the third pipe takes X hours to fill the pool. So the second pipe will take how much time? The second pipe alone fills the pool 5 hours faster than the first pipe and 4 hours slower than the third pipe. 4 hours slower, that means it will take 4 hours more. That is x plus 4 hours. And the second pipe alone fills the pool 5 hours faster than the first pipe. So that means the first one will take 5 hours more. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So first pipe will take x plus 9 hours, second will take x plus 4 hours, and third will take x hours. Now it's given a swimming pool is fitted with 3 pipes. The first 2 pipes, 1 and 2, working simultaneously fill the pool in the same time as the third pipe alone. So first pipe and second pipe, if they work together, if they are open together, they will take x time to fill the pool. X time is third's time. And if the first pipe work alone, it will take x plus 9. The second pipe will take x plus 4. So to find out x, we can use the formula square root of 9 into 4. So 36 will give us 6. So x is 6. So that means the efficiency of third pool is 6. And the second pipe will take how much time? It's a time taken, sorry. The third pipe will take 6 hours. The second pipe will take x plus 4, which is 10. First pipe will take how much time? X plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. So in this question, what we need to find out? We need to find in what time second and third pipe together fill the pool. The second and third pipe. So the second pipe takes 10 hours and the third pipe takes 6 hours. So we need to find out how much time is taken to fill the pool if both the pipes, second and third, they are open together. So we will take the LCM. 30, 10 3s are 6 5s are. So we know the formula in order to find out the time taken, total work divided by efficiency of second and third pipe, which is 3 plus 5 8. So if we solve this equation, we will get 3 by 4 hours. So this is our answer. Question number 44. 3 men A, B and C working together can do a job in 6 hours less time than A alone did, 1 hour less time than B alone, and half the time needed by C. In how many days will A finish the work alone? In this question, it's given 3 men A, B and C working together can do a job in 6 hours less time than A. Let's say the 3 men A plus B plus C, they take X hours to complete the work. So it says A plus B plus C working together can do a job in 6 hours less time. So less time than A. So A will require X plus 6 hours. And 1 hour less time than B. So B will require 1 hour more than A plus B plus C, which will be X plus 1. And C, comparing with C, it takes A plus B plus C takes half the time needed by C. Half the time, that means C will take twice, that is 2x time. This is the time taken. Okay. Now the time taken by A plus B plus C is X, and if we compare it with C's time taken is 2x. And if we need to find the efficiency, we know that efficiency is the reverse of time taken, which we have learned in previous questions. So our efficiency will be how much? Reverse of time taken is 2x is to x. So if we cancel this, in units the efficiency of a plus b plus c is 2 and c's efficiency alone is 1. Now if we look at this equation for efficiency, we have a plus b plus c is to c. C's efficiency is 1. So this efficiency will be 1. Now remaining is a plus b. But a plus b plus c, we can see it's 2. So if c is 1, this remaining part will be, it will be also 1. So the efficiency of a plus b, if we compare it with c, they are same. It will be 1 is to 1. And if we again reverse it, if we need to find out the time taken by a plus b and c, if we reverse it, we will get the time taken. The time taken will be in the same ratio, which is 1 is to 1, because the efficiency is 1 is to 1, so the reverse of efficiency is time taken. This will be also 1 is to 1. So in this question, if we see the time taken by c is 2x, the time taken by c is 2x. So a plus b, if they work alone, if they together, if they work, then they will also require 2x time to complete the same work. So a plus b, they require 2x time to complete this work. And a alone will take how much time? A alone will take x plus 6 time. A alone takes x plus 6. A plus b will take less time. A alone will take more time, right? So this figure x plus 6 is larger than 2x. It is greater than 2x. So if we need to find out how much time A alone is working more than a plus b, then we will need to subtract 2x from x plus 6. If we subtract 2x from x plus 6, what we will get? We will get how much time a takes more than a plus b. Now if we solve this equation, we will get 6 minus x. So a alone will take 6 minus x hours more than a plus b, and if b works alone, he will, how much time he will take more than a plus b? If we look at b alone takes x plus 1 hours. So how much time he will take more? X plus 1 minus 2x. This will give us x minus, this will give us 1 minus x. So 1 minus x hours more is taken by b than a plus b to complete the same work. Okay, so now we can use that formula to find the 2x. It will be the square root of 2x will be is equal to square root of 6 minus x 1 minus x. So okay, so we have 2x is equal to square root of 6 minus x into 1 minus x. If we square it, we will get 4x square is equal to 6 minus x 1 minus x. So if we solve it, we will get 4x square is equal to 6 minus x minus 6x plus x square. So 3x square is equal to, or if we take this plus, we'll take x to the other side, 3x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have 3x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have 3x, x plus 3 minus 2, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can say 3x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So if we solve this, we can say 3x minus, we can say x is equal to 2 by 3. Or if we see x plus 3 is equal to 0, we can say x is equal to minus 3. But we know that x, the value of x cannot be minus, so we will neglect this value. We will go with x is equal to 2 by 3, which is positive. So in this question we need to find out how much time is taken by A alone to complete this work. So A alone will take how much? X plus 6 hours. So x plus 6 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 6. This will give us 6, 2 by 3 days. So this is our answer.